So with ISUZU, it was very much convenient, comfortable, easy, and I enjoyed. Lovely drive, lovely car.
Thank you ISUZU for organizing this trip. It was really wonderful, nice lifetime experience.
I love ISUZU because it has really changed our way of exploring this world around us. Otherwise, I'm always against off-roading, but with ISUZU, it was very, very easy, convenient and lovely, fun experience for me.
It's been a great drive with ISUZU and Offbeat drives. This is where we test the capability of the vehicle and also have fun with the family. I'm here with my family and my kid.
I'm also very happy that I didn't have any issues handling my 6-year-old in this trip, and he's also having equal fun.
I think a lot of the stuff I can do is because of the little truck, and it's fun to drive. It's really fun to drive.